Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Panama. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get here on Coinbase, and on this website, on Coinbase, if you're gonna invest $100 and buy Bitcoin, you will get $10 for free if you register through the link down below in the description. Now, when you're gonna do it, you'll be in home and you're gonna see like your Coinbase here account. Just click on Bitcoin here, and now you're gonna see overview, and right here you just want to write like 100 euro and buy Bitcoin, and you can pay with bank or wallet and preview buy. And right when you're gonna do it, you're gonna see it here, pay with, price, purchase, Coinbase fee, total, and this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.